Welcome to grafixtan. Today we are going to learn how to add image into text. Let's get started by taking a new document. We'll press Ctrl N, or we can also use the file option for creating a new document. We'll set the height width of the document and resolution as per our requirement. Then press OK. Here we have a plain document. Now we'll use the text tool to type any text. This is the text tool where I'll click on the document area, then I'll type my text. After typing the text, select the text, click and drag to select the text, adjust the size of the text from the control options. After adjusting the text size, you can, if you want to make any changes in the font face, you can use this option. Here I've used the thick text, whichever gives you the thick effect, bold effect. And you can adjust the spacing options from the character and paragraph options given in the property bar again. Here this option is used for adjusting the spacing between the text, and this option is used to vertically scale the text. I am using font size 160. After adjusting the text options, we need to place the image which we want to insert inside the text. To place the image, we'll go to the file option, and from there we'll use the place option. Click on the place option, select the image which you want to place, and press place option. Adjust the image size. To maintain the proportions of the image, we should never use directly the height or the width option. We should always stretch the image from the corners with the help of Shift and Alt key. But here, since we have to adjust the image inside the text, I'm directly changing the height of the image. I'm repeating that if we directly change the height or width, it damages the image pixels. Now we'll use the shortcut Ctrl Alt G for creating clipping mask. The clipping mask option is available in the layer menu. Click on the layer menu. Here the option clipping mask is available. You click on it, it will release the clipping mask. You click on it, it will create the clipping mask. With the help of move tool, you can move the image if you need to. That's your requirement. After doing this, double click on the text layer to add some features to the text. Like we'll use the drop shadow option. We'll check the drop shadow box and then adjust the size according to your requirement. Press OK. And to add background, I've already made a background over here. I'll use this option as a background of the image. Here the background is not to be seen because it has got merged with the clipping mask. I'll use the control and curly bracket to bring it down, or we can also directly drag the layer downwards. Set the background. Here the effect is ready. Tune into graphicstan to know how to create this kind of background.